Once again, welcome to OJAANK Times with a big update. Key provisions include capital punishment for rape leading to death or vegetative state, life sentences without parole for rape and gang rape, and strengthened laws on sexual offences. The bill's background includes the August 2024 rape murder of a woman doctor, prompting a special assembly session on September 2, 2024, with the bill's presentation scheduled for later that month. Politically, CM Mamata Banerjee's special session faces opposition claims of unilateralism, amid growing public concern over women's safety in the state. The capital punishment provision applies to rape resulting in death or vegetative state, aligning with national laws and aiming to deter heinous crimes against women. Life sentences without parole for rape and gang rape ensure lifelong incarceration, eliminating the possibility of early release for convicted perpetrators. The bill proposes stricter minimum sentences, expanded definitions of sexual offenses, and restricted bail for serious cases, significantly strengthening existing laws. Enhanced protections promise stronger safeguards for women, swifter and more severe punishments for offenders, increased public awareness, and potential reductions in crime rates. Child protection measures include stricter penalties for crimes against children, specialized courts for fast-track cases, improved victim support services, and educational prevention programs. Implementation challenges include potential constitutional issues, the need for improved forensic and judicial infrastructure, and upskilling law enforcement and judicial officers. Public reaction features extensive media debates, viral social media discussions, and a mix of support and criticism from various groups. In the short term, the bill aims for an immediate deterrent effect and increased crime reporting, with medium-term goals of reduced crime rates and long-term societal respect for women. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel, and press the red bell icon to stay updated daily. To get free study material and PDF content, join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp.